Looking to master industrial automations and HMI development? Welcome to CTI Resources AVEVA InTouch HMI training course. This 5 days intensive course deep dives into the latest features and capabilities of AVEVA InTouch, equipping you with the skills to build powerful, user-friendly HMI applications for the real-time industrial processes. You will discover how to build HMIs using situational awareness symbols, create and manage tags, configure alarms and data trending, develop KPI dashboards, work with QuickScript.net and industrial graphics, and much more. Whether you are an engineer, technician, or system integrator, this course is perfect for anyone who needs to configure or enhance InTouch HMI applications. Choose the format that suits you best. Physical, virtual, on-site, or public sessions are all available. Let's join the hundreds of professionals who have enhanced their skill with us. Contact us for more information or to reserve your seat today. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.